Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, the running nutritionist and chef ambassador for Fullei Fresh. Happy New Year. I know we are so happy together that 2020 is over. Just so full of COVID and staying home and all kinds of things we just were not used to. And so I'm thrilled to share with you this month's featured sprout, which is wheatgrass, which I'll share with you a couple of different ways of how I prepare my wheatgrass, and then of course include them in our wonderful recipes. What I'm really excited about is wheatgrass is so super duper nutritious. It's chock full of protein and fiber, over 300% of your daily values for iron, which is so good for enriching the blood. Over 200% of your vitamin A needs. Vitamin A is really important in protein metabolism, in testosterone production, really important for the body. And not only that, it has over 90% of your daily values in vitamin C. We know that's really critical for the immune system, and we are very focused on the immune system these days, aren't we? I love wheatgrass because it's also really versatile. You could have a wheatgrass shot, which includes all the daily values of those vitamins and minerals I just spoke about. You can include the wheatgrass juice in some of our recipes, our wheatgrass frittata cupcake, which is so easy to make. It takes 5 minutes to prepare, and then about 20 minutes, I just popped it into the toaster oven. You don't even have to heat up the whole oven. You know, it's with your eggs. It's a traditional frittata with the wheatgrass juice. Also, I use the wheatgrass pulp. So you have to use a special wheatgrass juicer because the pulp will really break down your normal juicer. But what I love about the pulp is that you can make some great veggie burgers. We did that a few months ago in one of my blog recipes. You could include it in the frittata. Yeah, you just have to process it a little bit before so it's not so tough on the teeth and the digestive system, but so good for you. Again, you could buy the, fully fresh wheatgrass already prepared, ready to eat, but I love to grow my own, and at the website, you could get all the equipment that you need. It's super easy to grow. I love growing it in my little tray and watching it grow. It just took about 3 days to grow. I give it a little haircut trim, and then I could process my wheatgrass, and voila! I could have a smoothie, I could have a shot, and I'm all ready to go. It's a great way to start the new year. So thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next month.